How to link Instagram and TikTok. So the step are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, after you open up your phone, now go and open up your TikTok app. So after you open the TikTok like this, now tap on your profile as you can see now this one. So after you tap on your profile like this, now all you do now tap on this menu at the top right side, this menu. So after you tap on the menu like this, now all you do now just now tap on this my QR code. So in this section now all you do now tap on this copy link this. After you copy the link like this, now all you have to do now close your TikTok app. After you close the TikTok, now open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram like this, now allow it to finish loading. Now tap on this profile at the bottom. After you open your profile, now go to this edit profile. Now tap on this add link. In this add link, now tap on this add external link. Now in this section, now go and type in, as you can see now, go and add your URL. Long press your hand and tap on this paste. So in this title now go and type in TikTok. Now here is TikTok. After you type in TikTok like this, now tap on this save button. Now it's saving. So after it finishes saving, now as you can see now here is the TikTok. Now go back. Now go back again. So as you can see now here is my TikTok profile. Now whoever tap on this link, it will take him to my TikTok account like this one. If I tap on this now, it will take me now to TikTok. That's it guys on how to link Instagram and TikTok. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.